Take a ride in the 2020 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, power tailgate, rain sensing wipers, M Sport package. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.